Hello everybody, I'm Martin Shue with Purple Wave Auction, and I wanted to tell you about a retirement package that we've got coming to auction for Don Rainey and DNR Contracting. If you're looking to actually get into a site work business, if this is new to you, or maybe you need a few extra pieces of equipment to help your site work business go, then we have a package that's ready for you. Everything from rollers, motor graders, wheel loaders, even a dozer, we've got it all. October 9th, we'll have all your rolling stock and your heavy equipment, whereas on October 8th, you'll have your vehicles, your trailers, and your shop equipment. That's another thing. If you're looking at getting started, you have the whole package ready to go, including your shop tools, parts, your vehicles, your trucks, everything you need to get going on your new site work business. So come check us out on October 6th, we're going to have an open house. We'll feed you, we'll take care of you. You have an opportunity to come out here, jump on this equipment, test it out for yourself, take it, drive it around, work it a little bit, and make sure this is the right piece of equipment or package as a whole that works for you. Again, that'll be an open inspection on October the 6th. Ready to go to work, ready for you on purplewave.com.